Hello, I am Natalie Rodriguez. About my plans for the future. I will finish my study is the main thing. Then I will continue studying because I want to have a degree. I will work hard to reach my goal. I will try to study another career. I know about ostriches it attracts my attention and I want tell a risk adventure. It is a bit complicated. In the future, I also believe that I will buy a car with the possibility saving time. I can afford to be able and see places. I will do my best to make it outside. In the future, I want to go to North Korea since it is a very beautiful Asian country. Smiling Seoul calls me more attention and three is for I know its culture and even three and could live very. Thank you. Bye bye.